Have you considered investing in Cardano, also known as ADA, recently? If you haven't, let's bring you up to speed. Cardano, a promising star in the crypto universe, has recently seen a significant 50% price drop. But hold on, don't let that discourage you. In the volatile world of cryptocurrencies, such dips often present themselves as golden buying opportunities, and that's precisely what we're going to explore today. We'll be analyzing why this moment, despite the price drop, might just be the perfect time to invest in ADA. We'll examine the insights of a renowned crypto analyst who, despite the decline, sees the consistent awareness of Cardano on social media platforms as a positive sign. Stick around as we delve into the reasons why one renowned crypto analyst believes now could be the ideal time to invest in ADA. Renowned crypto analyst Ali predicts a strong bull run for Cardano. If you're scratching your head wondering what a bull run is, don't worry. In simple terms, a bull run is a period of consistently rising prices. The term comes from how a bull attacks, charging with its horns thrust upward. So, when we're in a bull run, the market is charging upwards, just like a bull. Now, Ali's prediction is not pulled out of thin air. He bases his forecast on historical trends, looking back at how Cardano has performed in the past to anticipate how it might perform in the future. It's a bit like trying to predict the weather. You look at patterns, what's happened before in similar conditions, and you make an educated guess. So, what does the history of Cardano tell us? Well, Ali highlights some intriguing similarities between the current market situation and past events. Specifically, he points to periods when ADA, that's the token used in the Cardano network, experienced significant surges in value after corrections. A correction, in case you're wondering, is a decline of at least 10% in the price of a security from its most recent peak. It's a bit like a pause in a bull run, a chance for the market to catch its breath before potentially charging upwards again. In the case of Cardano, Ali has identified a recent 50% price drop. Now that might sound bad, but here's the thing. In the past, similar drops have been followed by significant surges. It's as if the market takes a run-up, like a long jumper on the runway before leaping upwards. And here's another interesting point. Despite the recent decline in price and trading volume, the social metrics for Cardano have remained stable. That means that awareness of ADA on social media platforms has stayed consistent. The buzz is still there. The interest hasn't waned. So, according to Ale, history might just be about to repeat itself for ADA. If he's right, we could be about to see another of those impressive surges. But remember, this is just a prediction. Like predicting the weather, it's not an exact science, it's an educated guess based on past patterns. And as any weather forecaster will tell you, patterns can change. Despite a decline in price and trading volume, Cardano's social metrics have remained stable. Now, you might be wondering why this is important. In the crypto world, social metrics are a key indicator of a cryptocurrency's awareness and interest amongst the public. They are often a reflection of the pulse of the community and can serve as a barometer for gauging the potential future performance of a coin. When we look at social media platforms like Twitter, Reddit, or Facebook, we can see real-time discussions, debates, and sentiment about a particular cryptocurrency. These platforms serve as a breeding ground for new ideas and innovation, where enthusiasts and investors alike share their thoughts and predictions. When a cryptocurrency like Cardano maintains stable social metrics, it's a sign that its community is still active and engaged, despite market fluctuations. This is crucial as it indicates a robust and resilient community that is likely to stick around, even during tough market conditions. Think of it like the heartbeat of the cryptocurrency. Even when the price drops, if the heartbeat is steady, there's a good chance that the coin can recover and potentially even thrive. This consistent interest and discussion around Cardano could be a driving force behind a potential bull run. Let's look at it from another angle. When a cryptocurrency's social metrics decrease, it can often be a red flag indicating decreasing interest and potentially a weakening community. But that's not the case for Cardano. Despite the recent price drop, the community remains strong and engaged, which is a very promising sign for the future. So while price and trading volume are definitely important factors to consider, they are not the only ones. The strength of a coin's community, as measured by its social metrics, can also play a significant role in its potential for recovery and growth. In conclusion, even in a downturn, Cardano's presence on social media platforms remains consistent, suggesting a resilient community that could drive its recovery. Given all this, could now be the right time to invest in ADA? let's revisit some of the key points we've discussed to help us make an informed decision. Firstly, we've seen a recent 50% price drop in ADA. While this might initially seem like a red flag, it's important to consider this within the broader context of historical trends. In the past, ADA has experienced significant surges following similar corrections. This pattern suggests the potential for a strong bull run in the near future, just as crypto analyst Ali has predicted. Moreover, despite this dip in price, ADA's trading volume remains robust. This indicates that the interest in ADA hasn't waned, which is a positive sign for potential investors. If the trading volume were to decrease in tandem with the price, it might suggest a lack of faith in the cryptocurrency. However, that's not the case here. Further strengthening the case for ADA, we've seen that social metrics for Cardano have remained stable. This consistent awareness on social media platforms can be an excellent indicator of a coin's overall health and potential for growth. It reflects a sustained interest in conversation around ADA, which could translate into continued investment and support. So, what does all of this mean for you, an individual considering an investment in ADA? Well, the recent price drop could be viewed as a buying opportunity, given the historical trends and Ali's prediction. The robust trading volume and stable social metrics further suggest that ADA has the potential for growth and could be a valuable addition to your portfolio. While the decision ultimately lies with you, the investor, the signs suggest that now could be a promising time to consider adding ADA to your portfolio. In conclusion, Cardano, ADA, is showing some promising signs. Our journey today took us through the intriguing landscape of this crypto giant. We've analyzed the predictions of renowned analysts, and we've seen how historical trends hint at a potential bull run. We delved into the social metrics, noting how Cardano's presence on social media platforms remains strong, even during times of price correction. We've also pondered on the question that's on every investor's mind: is now the right time to invest in ADA? The recent 50% price drop, viewed by some as a buying opportunity, certainly adds an interesting dimension to this debate. But remember, each of these points isn't a standalone beacon, but a piece of a larger puzzle. They collectively paint a picture of Cardano's potential, yet they're also a reminder of the need for thorough research and careful consideration. As always, it's essential to do your own research and consider your personal risk tolerance when investing. But with Cardano's potential bull run on the horizon, now might just be the time to take a closer look at ADA.